Hello guys, good day to all. This is Mike Padua and we're back to our latest weather analysis for this Wednesday through Friday, March 20 to 22, 2024. And this is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, one of the best schools in the Bicol region. Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, sustainable with you. If you want to know more about this program of BPI, just click on the link up here for more details. And if you're watching via Facebook, just go to our description just above our video for more details. There's a link towards BPI Sustainable With You website. Also, the best hotel in Naga City, Avenue Plaza Hotel. The local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur, Congressman Gabi Bordado. So let's begin with our update. Well, we are now officially into springtime. It's now Vernal Equinox, meaning we are now having equal day and equal night. The number of hours of nighttime is equal to the number of hours of daytime. So that's what we call the spring or springtime. But if you're living down south in the Southern Hemisphere of Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, and other Southern Hemisphere countries, you are now officially in the autumn season, okay? And here in the Philippines, since we don't have 4 seasons, we are now officially in the start of the hot, dry season. We are now departing the cool, dry season. That's why we are now noticing some increase of temperatures, particularly during noontime and in the afternoon. But in the evening and early morning, it's still quite cold. But that's the last of the cooler days that we are experiencing, okay? And expect increasing temperatures and heat index to increase above 40 degrees centigrade. So those who have heart problems and high blood pressure or hypertension, don't forget to drink lots of fluids, water, and avoid going out directly under the sun. Okay, well, right now here in the Philippine Islands, we still have a fresh breeze, some cooler conditions if you're living up north across the Batanes, Pabuin Islands, Northern Cagayan. We have maybe this will be the last or one of the last blast of the Northeast Monsoon as we approaches the month of April. So we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon affecting Northern Luzon, and weak northeasterly wind flow will still be felt across the Bicol region, Visayas, Metro Manila, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, northern and eastern Mindanao. So expect these breezy conditions. Quite dry right now, and although we are expecting some tail end of a cold front, or what we call now as the shoreline, to bring some moisture over the eastern seaboards of Luzon, and maybe it could reach also the Bicol region. Let's hope so that the dry lands that we are experiencing right now will be having some rain showers, okay? Yesterday we experienced some afternoon rain showers through the evening, and that's a good relief here in the Bicol region. And as we all know, we are still on the last part of El Nino, although by April it will return to neutral conditions. We are now on the end part of this hot phenomenon, okay, the El Nino phenomenon, and we are experiencing below average rainfall. But the effects will continue through May or June. But in between those effects, we are expected to experience some rain showers or thunderstorms because of the easterlies, as well as low pressure areas, and maybe soon tropical cyclones or bagyo in Tagalog. So we should be aware of that. And right now we are looking at a near equatorial trough with increasing cloudiness, but there's nothing to worry. There's no LPA or active LPA that will expected to form. And so far, this is now the weather system that we are experiencing. This will be one of the last, or maybe the last, of this northeast monsoon. And here's the zoom in satellite animation. So you can clearly see here the developing cloudiness of the near equatorial trough, which is starting to diminish, okay, because of a strong high pressure over south of Japan. And for the zoom in satellite animation, it's still quite dry across most parts of the country, but there will be some showers like over Samar later area, northern portions of Caraga, eastern sections of Mindanao, as well as over the eastern seaboards of northern Quezon, Cagayan Valley. So there will be some cloudy conditions with light showers or drizzles expected because of the last hurrah of the northeast monsoon, and winds up to 50 or 60 kph will be expected. Here over Bicol region, we could expect winds of 40 to 50 kph as well, as the weak northeast monsoon will also be felt today until tomorrow. And if we take a look at the pressure and wind forecast from the European model, so here's down the northeast monsoon over extreme northern Luzon. Throughout Wednesday until tomorrow, it will spread across the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon, but it will rapidly diminish and it will be transformed into northeasterly surface wind flow, and that will persist until Friday. But late Friday through Saturday, we will be shifting again from the usual warm easterlies. And if you've noticed, the northeast monsoon during the last part of its existence, the occurrence, the number of days is now shortened to maybe 1 or 2 days, and that's it. It will be gone quickly, okay? And if we take a look at the rain forecast, this is the rain forecast. This is now the shear line that is expected to affect extreme northern Luzon by tomorrow, or tomorrow afternoon. That shear line will move down across the eastern sections of northern and central Luzon. So this is the shear line. Let me see. Yeah, here. That's the shear line. And if ever there are some changes in the forecast, let's hope that it will reach the big region for some refreshing rainfall. Like this. Thursday evening, Friday morning. Maybe the coastal waters of Camarines provinces and Catanduanes and eastern Albay would feel some rain showers because of the edge of the shear line. And maybe Friday afternoon we could experience some rain showers again. And on Saturday, March 23, it will move down across eastern Visayas over Samar provinces. So this is now the decaying shear line. It will be replaced by the warm easterly wind flow. So the warm easterlies and the last of this shear line will be interacting and converging, producing some rain showers. So that will be the scenario beginning tomorrow, Thursday, until Saturday. So don't forget to bring your umbrellas. So there might be some rain showers in the afternoon or evening. Also here across northeastern and eastern Mindanao, there will be some possibility of thunderstorms. As we take a look at the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Friday, here you go. The eastern sections of the northern central Luzon will be experiencing some drizzles to light rain showers because of the possibility of a shear line together with the northeast monsoon, then easterlies later. And also here across northern Caraga, along the eastern sections of Surigao provinces, there will be some rain showers and thunderstorms as well. Thunderstorms, okay, due to the easterlies and the decaying shear line. Bicol region, we might also have some showers, so just bring your umbrellas all the time. Actually, you need umbrellas to protect us from extreme direct sunlight and also from sudden rain showers. So you always keep it in hand. Okay, and let's go now to the wave forecast from the European model today until Friday and Saturday. So today we have wave heights here of 1.5 to 1.8 meters across the eastern Philippine Sea, while over extreme northern Luzon and over the northern portions of the West Philippine Sea, because of the northeast monsoon, wave heights of 2.5 to 4 meters will be expected, while the inland waters of the Philippine Islands will remain calm to light waves from 0.3 to 1 meter. Over the Calayan Island group, as well as the Spratlys, 1 to 1.5 meters of wave heights will be expected today, Wednesday. And by tomorrow, now you see the effects of the northeast monsoon moving down across the eastern coastal waters of the Bicol region. You could expect some wave heights of up to 3 to 3.5 meters here over the East Philippine Sea, east of Luzon and east of the Bicol region, also along the West Philippine Sea. So expect 2.5 to 3 meters or even up to 3.5 meters, while the rest of the East Philippine Sea, east of Visayas down to east of Mindanao, wave heights of up to 1.5 or 1.8 meters will be expected, while calm conditions will continue across the inland waters of the Philippine Islands from Sibuyan Sea, Visayan Sea, Regay Gulf, Bohol Sea, and Sulu Archipelago, where wave heights of 0.4 up to 1.5 meters will be expected. And if we take a look on Friday, the waves of the northeast monsoon has gone down farther to the east of Visayas and northeastern Mindanao, where wave heights of up to 2.5 meters will be expected, while the rest of the West Philippine Sea is now back to normal of up to 1.7 meters. Over the inland waters of the Philippine Sea is generally quiet to light waves of up to 1.3 meters. And on Saturday, the wave heights over the east of Bicol region and eastern Visayas down to eastern Mindanao over the East Philippine Sea will remain around 2 meters, okay, up to 2.5 meters, while over the eastern coastal waters of the Philippine Sea, east of Luzon, wave heights will decrease to 1.5 meters, while here over the West Philippine Sea and the rest of inland waters of the Philippine Islands will remain quiet to about 1.5 meters in wave height, suitable for fishing activities and sea travel. Okay, and before we leave you, here's the latest Global Topics Hazards Outlook from the Climate Prediction Center of the United States of America, issued every Wednesday. So this is for today, the latest one, valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, wherein the third week remains highly uncertain and low probability. Now let's begin on week 2, valid March 27 to April 2. The Philippine Islands will be experiencing below average rainfall of more than 50% because of the ongoing El Nino phenomenon. While on week 3, valid April 3 to April 9, continued effects of the below average rainfall has increased of more than 65% across the central portions of the Philippine Sea, Palawan, Bicol region, Visayas, Mindoro, and other areas within this circle. So that's what we are going to expect for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Although third week is highly uncertain, but maybe that will be the result in the coming weeks because of the ongoing El Nino. Although it's starting to rapidly weaken and return back to normal or neutral conditions. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Wednesday, March 20th, and we'll return in the next couple of days, probably this weekend. From Typhoon2000, this is Mike Padua saying good day to all. Stay safe always, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.